In today's video, I wanted to share with you a framework and a process of how you can create multiple streams of income and also how you can prioritize them. Before we get started, guys, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Also, don't forget to comment down below any thoughts or questions you have. Let's get right into it. Stream number 1, the employed. This is where you have a stable full-time job that pays you a regular salary each month. And this is what most people start off with. You go to school, you study hard, you get good grades, you get a degree, you graduate, and then you look for a job. Once you find a job and you perform well at your job, you'll get promoted. And once you get promoted, you'll get paid more. And this is essentially how the employed stream works. If you're an employed person, this is great because you have stability, you have benefits. But the downside is you are relying on one single source of income, which is risky. And the more you progress in your career, the more likely you are to experience burnout. And burnout is a state of physical, mental, or emotional exhaustion that results from chronic workplace stress on the job. Satisfaction. Burnout tends to result in reduced productivity, and it can affect both happiness and effectiveness on the job. And so, by having only one stream of income, you put yourself at a higher risk of experiencing burnout. Instead, you should use this first paycheck, this first stream of income, to set up other sources of passive income streams, and then you can reduce your hours at your job. You can take time off to recharge, and then you can focus on building these other income streams. Stream number 2, the self-employed. This is where you run your own business and you are your own boss. As a self-employed person, you are responsible for paying your own taxes, and you might have less job security than if you were employed. However, you do have more flexibility in terms of when and where you work and what you work on. When you are self-employed, you can leverage the skills and expertise that you developed while you were employed and then use that to make money on your own. Or you can go back to school and learn new skills and then monetize those new skills. Some examples of this could be getting certified in project management and then offering your services to businesses, or getting a certification in digital marketing and then offering your services to businesses. Stream number 3, the investor. Now, being an investor doesn't mean that you need to be Warren Buffett and invest in companies like Apple or Google. Being an investor simply means that you are putting your money to work for you. You are investing your money in assets that will appreciate over time. This could be investing in stocks, investing in bonds, investing in real estate, investing in precious metals such as gold and silver, investing in cryptocurrencies, or even investing in collectibles like watches and bags. The best part about investing is that there are many ways to do it, and you can choose the method that works best for you. Stream number 4, the creator. If you are a content creator, you are creating value for others, and in return, you are getting paid for it. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I'm not a writer, I don't write books, I don't create videos, so this doesn't apply to me. But let me tell you, every single one of us is a content creator. We are constantly creating content through our social media posts, through the way we present ourselves at work, through the way we interact with other people. So the question I want you to ask yourself is, why not create content that has value for others and get paid for it? You can start a blog, you can create videos like this, or you can even create podcasts. Stream number 5, the influencer. To build your influence, you must first become an influencer in your field. So whether you are a content creator, a blogger, a podcaster, you need to consistently show up, create value, and be recognized in your field. Then, once you have built your reputation, you can monetize your influence. Influencers get sponsorships, they create their own products and services, and they get paid for promoting those products and services. Stream number 6, the affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer is someone who promotes other people's products and services and earns a commission on the sales that they drive. For example, when you see those YouTube videos or Instagram posts that say click this link in the description to get 20 off, that person who made that post is an affiliate marketer. They are promoting the brand, they're promoting the product, and they're getting paid a commission for every sale that they drive. In order to build out this income stream, you need to find a product or service that you like and then sign up to become an affiliate for that product or service. Most affiliate programs will provide you with a unique tracking link, and then whenever somebody buys using your link, you get paid a commission. Stream number 7, the coach or consultant. A coach or consultant provides guidance and advice to help other people achieve their goals. For example, if you are good at something, if you know something that other people want to learn, you can offer your services as a coach or a consultant. You can charge people for your time and expertise and help them achieve their goals. This could be anything from life coaching to business coaching to health and wellness coaching. The key is to identify a need in the market and then fill that need with your product or service. Stream number 8, the speaker. If you have a unique perspective or a story to tell, you can become a speaker and get paid for speaking at events. This could be anything from conferences to corporate events to weddings. All you have to do is prepare a talk and then submit it to event organizers. Once you have built up a reputation and once you have established yourself as a thought leader, you can charge thousands of dollars for speaking at events. Stream number 9, the rental property owner. As a rental property owner, you can earn rental income from tenants. You can also benefit from long-term capital appreciation and tax benefits. If you live in the U.S., you can benefit from depreciation. Depreciation is an accounting method that allows you to deduct a portion of your rental property cost from your taxable income each year. Now, depending on the area you live in, you can also benefit from different tax breaks. Now, when it comes to rental properties, you can either buy and hold or you can fix and flip. Buying and holding is when you purchase a property with the intention of renting it out for the long term. Fix and flip is when you buy a property, you renovate it, and then you sell it. Now, fix and flipping can be a little bit riskier because you have to be able to accurately estimate the renovation costs. If you overestimate the renovation costs, you won't be able to sell it for a profit. Whereas with buying and holding, it's a lot more predictable because you have consistent cash flow coming in each month. Now, I hope this video helped you see the many different ways that you can generate income. It's never too late to start, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to retire early and live the life that you want to live. Remember, you cannot get fired if you don't have a job. And so that was my first stream of income that I created. It was the ability to not rely on one single source of income, but instead diversify my income portfolio, much like you would diversify your investment portfolio. Thank you so much for watching Bye Guys.